Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to prepare snake-gourd and lentils curry or Pudalangai Thuvandal in Tamil. The main ingredients are listed here and this can serve 3 to 4 people. Instead of moong dal or pasiparippu, you can use tur dal or tuvarambarippu. First, take the moong dal or pasiparippu in a bowl and wash it thoroughly. Cook it with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and water and drain the excess water after it is well cooked. But do not overcook it. And now wash the snake gourd and remove all the seeds inside it. Slice it into thin pieces as shown. Add the required salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well and allow it to stay for 5 to 10 minutes. Heat sesame oil or coconut oil in a pan on medium. Add the mustard seeds and urad dal. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add the curry leaves and red chilies. And now add the sliced snake gourd by squeezing the excess water. Mix it well and allow it to cook for a while by keeping it covered. Stir 1 or 2 times and keep it covered until it is cooked well. Ensure that it does not overcook or burn. Once it is cooked well, add just 1 pinch of salt and cook further for 2 minutes. Now add the cooked moong dal or pasiparippu to it. Mix it well. Add the grated coconut and turn off the stove at this point. Mix it thoroughly. Snake gourd and lentils curry is now ready for you. As I said, you can use tur dal or tuvarambarippu instead of moong dal or pasiparippu. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another recipe.